Hey everybody, it's Margaux Huffnagel, the writer of all your Knit Bits newsletters, and I am so excited that you're here because we cannot wait to show you our newest fall yarn. So let's dive in. First, I'm going to show you 3 new yarns to our collection that are brand new. The first is Dulce, and Dulce is a 50% cotton, 20% nylon alpaca wool blend. It's got this really beautiful halo. There's some like really pretty threads that are braided throughout that have like a pop of color to them. You really love working with this yarn. It is a DK weight. It has just this softness and this like, it's almost like this metallic glow to it that you'll really love working with. The next is our cashmere cotton blend luxurious yarn named Luca. It's 50% cashmere, 50% cotton. It is so soft, so luxurious, kind of like the best of both worlds. Like you're gonna get this buttery soft feel from your cashmere and you're gonna get this really good wearability with the cotton. We love it so, and we know that you will too. It has just like this little ply to it. Beautiful, and this is also like a DK weight. The next is one of my personal favorites, and it's called Topaz. Topaz is a worsted weight, bit of a thick and thin, single ply, but it has variegated colors throughout. We love this yarn. We ended up making a really beautiful shawl design in this yarn that will be released at the end of the month. But it is a beautiful yarn, really warm, soft, easy to knit with. This is a really good for beginner yarn type of yarn. The next 3 are sort of line extensions. So if you loved Ariel, you'll love Ariel Color. And Ariel Color is just like our gorgeous Ariel yarn lace weight. It is super kid mohair, 35% silk, and it just has this beautiful variegated color throughout. We love holding this together with our solids. It creates this really muted, beautiful color. So if you liked holding Ariel with our Ultra Wool hand paints, you'll love holding Ariel Color with Ultra Wool, with Lanas, with any of our workhorse yarns. It really will add that extra beauty to all of it. Next up is Lanas Quick. So Lanas is a new yarn line from us from last year. We extended the line with a bulky. This is a super bulky. It's about 3 stitches to the inch. If you have been a long time Barocco fan, you probably remember Peruvia Quick. This is just like that. You'll love this yarn for your quick accessories and sweaters. It's really a beautiful yarn to work with. Super soft, 2-ply. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful yarn. And last but not least is the newest addition to our Remix family, Remix Chunky. It's everything you love about our recycled yarn in a bulky weight. It is nylon, cotton, acrylic, silk, and linen. It's just a beautiful yarn. It's machine washable. It is just what the Remix family was needing. It's great for blankets, great for home goods, accessories, you name it. We know you're gonna love this yarn, and it comes in so many beautiful colors, and we're really excited for you to use it. And that's it. That's your new yarns for the fall. We hope you love them. We hope you go visit your local yarn store, and we're excited that you're a subscriber for Knit Bits because you heard it here first.